back with another video with these pre-looped crochets. This was my first time trying pre-looped hair, and I thought I was not going to have enough hair because it was like 6 loops that came, or 12 loops that came in one pack. And yeah, I have more than enough hair. And it was super fast, and you would not believe it how like non-time consuming this was compared to traditional crochet. So if you want to know how to get this hair, then go ahead and stay tuned and watch the video. Okay, so the hair I'm going to be using is this hair. I have 4 packs of this and I'm hoping that it is enough, but if you look, it's like pre-looped. And so ideally this should not take as long as normal crochet. And I guess I'll have to spread them out more because I mean, it only has like 10 in there. And so hopefully I have enough hair. I'm going to try to imitate the style that she has right here. And so yeah, let's see how that goes. So the first thing that I did was part this around there. That's where the twists are gonna go. And then I have a center part going down the middle of my head. Since this is a braidless crochet, I'm gonna pull the hair back and put them in 2 low ponytails. This part is gonna kind of be out, so you wanna make sure that this part is nice and slick. I'm using Shine and Jam along with this Shine and Jam, along with some of this edge control. And I know y'all like, girl, why you got these buns? So I'm pinning them down as close as I can, but the crochet, the hair that I have is very curly and you're not gonna see that. So try to get it as flat as you can, or you can braid it and pin it up like up here or something if that's what you wanna do. But I mean, ain't nothing wrong with this, so we'll be all right. So I'm gonna actually tackle the flat twist first. The girl in the pack, it looks like she kind of just has 3 twists, or that's what I'm gonna create because it's easier. So just make a curved part and then I'm gonna do that on both sides and that will be your flat twist. And then when you get to the ends, on the cover it's a Bantu knot, so we're just gonna, I guess I should show you what I'm doing. Just grab like this. And ideally this should stay by itself. You shouldn't need like anything to keep it straight. So I'm gonna finish the rest of these and I'll be back. All right, so now that that's done, I am going to start adding my loops and I'm gonna spread them out pretty far just because I just feel like it's not a lot of them. I'm not gonna put any like on my bottom edges just to not have tension on that area, but I'm gonna start there and you're not even gonna see the loops. And so hopefully y'all can see this. I'm trying, I can't see, but you're gonna stick the needle in the pre-loops thing, close it, I don't know, close it, and then you pull. You are going to open this loop here and then pull the hair through. And then tightly pull. And that is it. So I'm gonna put it on the bun. And I put this one here, and so hopefully you can see. And I'm just putting it through the bun to camouflage it. So you want to open the needle. You can open up the loop a little bit just because it'll make it easier to pull the hair through. And then you are going to put it on like this. Close it, pull it through. The loop is open. Pull in all the hair. then tighten it. So it'll automatically be like that. Okay, so I am about half package done within the first pack, and this only got me like the bottom half of my hair. And so we really need to spread them out, and so I came back on to show you how I was gonna spread them out. I'm actually going to just kind of do like here and start going across, and I know that looks really far, but if we have extra hair at the end, then we can like do the most. But right now, you just really need to kind of cover the basics. And so this will do that, hopefully. So remember, open it up, close it, pull it through, and then open the loop. Okay, and so as you can see, like even putting it there, you can't see. So like, it's not gonna be gaps in your head, but with these pre-loop ones, you really do need to just spread them out. Where there's empty spaces back here, I'm just gonna put like, cause I put one on my ponytail. So ideally, and it's not gonna be an empty space because the next row, I'm going to put it like over the ponytail, and so that will cover up any empty spaces that we are gonna have. All right, so this is one pack down, and I'm actually very surprised at how far this got me because it's only 12 loops in a pack, and I was like, oh, this is gonna be looking real scarce, but it isn't. Going into the second pack, I'm actually gonna go about trying to cover the top here. And so here we are, and then I'm gonna go about doing the second row once again, just spacing it out just like I have been spacing it here. This is 2 packs of hair, and I have 2 remaining packs, and what we're gonna do is really focus on closing these, because all of them were spread out, but the top can't be spread out or people will see what's happening up there. And so you don't need to do that. And so we want to focus on filling the gaps by coming in close to the part and just doing the same thing that we always do. All right, so that was my 4th pack of hair, and you can see how it's looking here. And if you don't want this showing, like, you can always lay the hair to the side, which we'll do later. So we are gonna use 4 packs because we need to do this and this, because it's like this huge gap and it just is not cute. So at this point, this is a whole lot of hair, like legit a whole lot of hair. I think I went overboard, but it's okay. We're gonna rock with it. So I saved 3 of these because I'm going to add some volume to these bantu knots. And so I'm going to place one around each one of these, like so. Tighten it like so. Just to kind of add some, you know, volume to my stuff. So for this is probably not gonna stay by itself, so I'm gonna get a small rubber band and put it on there. The hairstyle is pretty much done, and we're gonna do what I like to call the logistics, which is making sure that everything's straight. So first I'm just gonna do a slight trim. And the next thing I'm going to add is some hair jewelry. And so the last thing I'm gonna do, I put my jewelry in and I did some stuff to my edges. But the last thing I'm gonna do is to put this Curl Repair Leave-In by Cream of Nature. Okay, so this is about it. It is big too, y'all. I mean, it depends on how y'all feel about big hair. But you know I like it. All right. So that is about it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a heart, a like, subscribe, follow, show me some love, and I will see you guys another day, another time. Bye, y'all.